Good morning everyone, Jom here, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to install Python and also how to set it up in Visual Studio Code. So I guess that's it for my introduction, so let's now move on to the video.
Good morning everyone. Ngayon tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-install ng Python sa Windows 11 and also kung paano ito i-set up sa Visual Studio Code. So bago ang lahat, of course, titignan muna natin kung naka-install na ang ating Python. So punta muna tayo sa terminal. So right click lang yung start button dito and press terminal. So, kapag tapos na mag-load ang ating terminal, pwede na nating i-check by typing python --version. So, as you can see here, Python was not found, so wala pang naka-install na Python sa ating device. So, close na natin ito and let us now head on to the download link. So, punta lang tayo sa python.org/downloads and press the download button here. So after that is done downloading, pwede na natin i-open ang file and add natin ito sa path and press install now. So of course, wait lang natin ito na mag-install. It'll take a while. So after that is done installing, so setup was successful na, we can now close this window. So of course, check natin kung naka-install na nga ba talaga ang Python sa ating device. Let's head over sa terminal natin. Let's just wait for it to load. So after that is done loading, we can now type python --version. So as you can see here, we have Python installed, so Python version 3.12. So since na-check na natin, we can now close this window and we can now install Visual Studio Code. So, punta lang tayo sa site na ito, code.visualstudio.com. Again, yung download link will be in the description below. So, press lang natin ang download for Windows. after that is done downloading, again, we can now open the file. And just accept the agreement here. Set natin yung location natin. So, okay na yan. And next. Next. And for the sake of this tutorial, I will create a desktop icon. So, let us press again next. And we can now install Visual Studio Code. So again, wait lang natin na matapos ito. It'll take some time. So after that is done installing, pwede na natin i-close ito. And we can now open Visual Studio Code. So open na natin ito. And of course, test muna natin kung gumagana ang Python dito. Let us create a new file here. So create a new file. So let us name it hello world.py. Lagay lang natin sa documents and create file. So let us try to print hello world. Hello world. And we can now save this and let us go to the terminal, new terminal, and we can now run the program. So punta lang tayo sa ating destination file, so cd, so pumunta tayo sa documents kanina, so cd documents, and we can now run this file by typing here py, then the file name, which is hello world.py. So as you can see here, gumagana nga ang ating Python sa Visual Studio Code. So, hello world. So of course, ayaw naman natin na type ng itong command na ito, diba? So, let us try to install the extension for Python. So, let us just head over sa extensions dito. Ayan. So, as you can see here, andito na. Search lang natin dito Python and of course, lalabas ito. So, download lang natin ito. So, press install here. And wait lang natin ito na mag-install. So while waiting, let us also install Code Runner. So basically, itong Code Runner extension na ito will run your code for you. So basically, may button lang dito na lalabas, tapos pwede nang mag-run yung Python file natin. So it also works for, as you can see here, C, C++, Java, JS, PHP, Python, and many more languages. So after those are done installing, you can now head over to the hello world.py na ginawa natin and try natin i-run yung code. Ayun, lumabas na ang hello world. So basically, that is how you download Python and also set it up sa Visual Studio Code in Windows 11.